Hey guys, happy motivation. Get your motivation. Motivation. Happy day, you guys. I got my winter stuff on. Well, I don't got my coat on, but I got my hat and my scarf on. Just to remind people to prepare themselves for the excuses that's going to come up when it's cold out. You know, as soon as it get cold out, we want to get comfortable. We want to go into our cozy. We want to get lazy. We want to not move. But I'm saying to prepare yourself for the excuses that can come up. So if you need to get your hat and your gloves, if you need to layer up so you can go out in the cold to do what you need to do. So as in terms of fitness, if you need to commit to a class, commit to a trainer, commit to a health coaching, commit to something that holds you accountable to make you prepare for what's coming up. Like the holiday season, the New Year's, the Thanksgiving, Christmas, if you celebrate those things. And a lot of times it's being around family gives us excuses to just not do the goals that we want to do, that we really are going after our vision, because we are comfortable and we have excuses in play. Our excuses is, well, it's only this one day. It's too cold today. Oh, but then it becomes another excuse, then another excuse. I'm going to work a little bit more. I'm going to forget about my health. Then another excuse. I'm saying prepare yourself for these excuses that's coming up. I bet you can give me 10 excuses the reason why you're not working out. But can you? But then when it comes to your health and when it gets to the point when we're not healthy, we have no more excuses. We fix in our minds and we repair. We put on the things that we need. We get in our minds and we go for it. So this is my gentle reminder to you. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean that you get to not go after your goals. So go for it. Have your vision. No more excuses. My name is Venus Washington. Hopefully this video is beneficial. You guys have a great day. Peace.